Stationery, and today I will be showing you my craft materials that I bought before starting my crafting journey. This video was shot a year back, but I was lazy with editing stuff, so it took time. These materials have been mostly brought from local stationery or dress material shops or D-Mart, and some of them are gifted to me by my friends. I had to try every little thing that can be handmade, be it paper crafts or jewelry. So I actually purchased little bit of everything which I possibly had idea back then. Let's check it out. Big design paper roll bought from D-Mart. These are from local stationery shops. Fevicol, hardly used. Fevicol and fabric glue are my favorite. Glue gun, hardly used. I got this cute glue gun from Cuttter, but 10 glue sticks with it. From local stationery shops. My favorite is this big one, pink one. My least favorite, absolutely no use. This is actually used for fabric cutting. With this you get beautiful shape with this crisscross line while cutting. These are from local stationery shops. From D-Mart. Brushy Tape. These big ones are gifted to me by my friends, and these mini ones I bought from D-Mart. These cute tapes I have seen many crafters talking about, so while shopping I saw this cute tapes. I had to buy it. After coming home, when I checked these tapes, I was quite impressed to see, oh, they really stick. But when I was actually using it, these tapes were totally a disaster. They just don't stick. But still, they are cute. I use it anyway because of how pretty they look. Cuttter. This is basic Cuttter, and I'm pretty sure everyone is aware about. Stickers bought from local stationery shops. Smiley stickers and stars are gifted. As compared to paper crafts, I felt jewelry materials are costly. Colorful wools brought from local dress material shop. Brought from Mumbai market. Some colorful stones. These are from local stationery shops. As a big one, it totally depends upon your preference and budget, like what you want to actually work on, material required, and so on. Stone chains. I call it diamond chain and pearl diamond chain. Of stone chains in silver and gold. Brought from local dress material shop, from earring hooks, jump rings, other jewelry material. I am not aware about names. Like and comment down your views.